Okay, so my name is Moses Nkomo. I am the lawyer who has been assisting the Manzou villagers who have been unlawfully evicted from Manzou farm. So we've just come out of court wherein we had applied for contempt after the initial order that we obtained on the 24th of March was disobeyed. Police continued to participate in the unlawful evictions and demolitions, and police vehicles were being used to ferry these farmers to an indeterminate place in the bush. So we came back to court and said, but we agreed that the police will stop. So we've just come out of a hearing, and the representatives for the Minister of Home Affairs, Minister of Lands, and the Commissioner of Police have consented to an order in terms of which they immediately shall stop from participating in the unlawful evictions at Arnold Farm. They will not be permitted to assist anyone in whatever manner to evict these villagers without an order of court. So that should bring some relief to the villagers because the court has ruled that they remain there, and the police and the Minister of Lands and the Minister of Home Affairs are barred from interfering with their operations at the farm.
What then happens to those that has already been removed from the farm?
Those that have been removed from the farm, the order that we obtained last week on Friday, that is the 24th of March, required them to be restored to occupation of the land. So anybody who has been removed is allowed by order of court to go back on the ground and continue with their business until such a time as the respondents would have obtained a court order or would have followed due process to get them off that particular piece of land.
Mr. Nkomo, why are these people evicted from the farm, and who's taking over?
That I may not be in an authoritative position to determine. What I know is the responsible authority is the Minister of Lands. So the person who is evicting these people is the Minister of Lands. As to whose interest they're protecting, I'm not sure.
Are they saying any reasons why are they evicting people in such a fashion?
Well, the argument that they give is that these people are unauthorized occupants of state land. But it's a paradox really, because these people occupied that land at the height of the land reform in 2000. They've called that place home for the past 17 years. They've not known any other home apart from that. And the constitution of this country protects people from unlawful ejectment from land unless they are given alternative land to occupy, which is what the Minister of Lands